Hi, update. Finally, this is day 3, but we're just going to try and whip through the other 2 days and catch you all up. So over to Matt.
Yep, so day 1, epic day, felt good, got mechanicals sorted and smashed out about 120 kilometres on tarmac, so that was quite good. We met another traveller, another rider called Tara from Germany, amazing girl, she was day 17, so hats off to her, and we hope you a safe onward journey. It was quite a spiritual day. We ended up sheltering from some biblical rain in a mosque, a thunderstorm of epic proportions, and then we eventually ran out of light because we carried on feeling good, but we were rescued by a guy called David, a 60-year-old local cyclist, basically using his bike as his primary mode of transport, giving a backy to his son, and we were like, well, shouldn't this be the other way around? But fair play to him.
He was doing well.
And he took us...
no lights either, it was pitch black. No lights,
pitch black, and the rough as anything, and the roads are a mess. So he eventually guided us to a church where we stayed, and that was, we met a guy called Justice as well, who was a pastor of the church, and that was kind of the end of day 2, so...
That was the end of day 1.
Day 1.
Day 2 started with nice and early with Justice taking us to his school that was just down the road, showing us what it's really like. So there had been some government investment, but that was just for a couple of classrooms, and then we were showing like the creche, which was just basically a mud hut, and the rain comes in, and it's just
no toys, nothing.
No,
really.
It's quite
literally a mud hut.
And it kind of reminded us why we're here and what we're doing. So although that's not our target area, it was quite good to see. Then we crossed over the border into Tanzania. A lot of faffing, a lot of to and froing, trying to get the right paperwork. Going to markets, getting lunch, changing money with Eddie, who was on a motorbike. But then we pushed on. Hit a massive, I can't say the word massive enough, alpine climb. It went on and on and on and on and on. Incredible views though, but slowed down progress massively. We got over that, beautiful views, kept on going, and then we eventually found a little hotel because we were minging. And we basically needed a beer.
Covered in red dust, like we've been riding on Mars for...
Mars, because the roads are not very good. But now we've, day 3.
We're day 3. So day 3 has been a day of climbing. So bodies are taking a bit of a hammering. We're well over 200 kilometres plus. For that, and it was, we set off in the hottest part of the day after Scott managed to drop his bike.
I didn't drop it.
Well, you didn't drop it, right? We had this balcony supposedly, which was a bit of a safety issue. It had no railings or anything else, and so we basically the bike fell off the edge, and we managed to repair it, and then we went off for another day of about 1,000 meters of climbing through the dust and rough trails, and then it was super hilly.
We basically climbed Snowdon every day so far.
Every day, on a bike.
Terrible roads, on a bamboo bicycle. My crank's making some noises and it's not ideal. Matt got a puncture at the end of the day.
So walked the last 3 kilometres.
But we've had these encounters with children that are just like incredibly positive.
So many people, so friendly, right?
Yeah, exactly. You know, we're called Mzungu, which is basically any Westerner, but we embraced it, and we've learned a little bit of Swahili, so we get to shout things, and everybody waves and is smiling, and it's a fantastic experience so far. Tomorrow, day 4.
Day 4, so we're looking to get about 100 kilometres, because we hopefully have hit some tarmac now to Bukoba, which is the shores of Lake Victoria.
And a big city, so hopefully do a little bit of service on the bike and carry on. So just a quick reminder that we're doing this for charity, Made with Hope and the school Alderney, that we're trying to put some money into to refurbish some classrooms and put in some rainwater tanks. So thank you very much for everybody that's donated. It's been going really, really well, but we're so close to that £1,000 mark, which should give us a boost as well.
Yeah, help
so
us
if
get
anybody
to
is
1,000.
thinking of donating or telling their boss and their company that they want to donate to something, please point them in our direction. The link is in the comments. Thank you very much for watching.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.